egg rolls and fried pickles in the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill. Hey everybody, it's Mike here, smoking and drinking. And today we're going to use the Ninja Woodfire grill, and we are going to make some egg rolls and some fried pickles with the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill and what they call the air crisp. We're going to air fry these egg rolls and pickles. So let's get started. All right, first we need to put the Ninja on the air crisp setting. I'm going to set it for 390, and we're going to go 10 minutes. The egg rolls are going to take a little longer than the pickles will. So we've got our basket, and we'll just get our egg rolls and our pickles in the basket. Now the egg rolls I picked, they're kind of a generic egg roll, and they don't really have instructions. They just have microwave instructions, but we're going to just wing it a little bit like we do here at Smoking and Drinking. The Beer-Battered pickles have instructions for the air fryer, and they say 390 for 7 to 8 minutes. Obviously the egg rolls are going to take a little longer, so we'll just kind of have to watch them and figure out when we need to pull them off here. So first let's get the egg rolls in the basket. All right, we got the egg rolls in there, and then we'll do the pickles on the other side. All right, we've got the pickles ready to go on. We're just gonna, hopefully we have room for all of them here. We may not be able to make them all. Probably don't need to make them all. It's just me and Mrs. Smoking and Drinking. So let's just start with that. Yep, we're just going to make about half the box here. Get them all. All right, there we go. We've got our egg rolls and our pickles. Got our temperature set at 390. Time set for 10 minutes. Just shut the lid. It's probably going to need to yep, it's going to preheat. That'll probably take a few minutes, so we'll just check back when it is done preheating. Okay, we got it at 390 for 10 minutes. So we're going to watch this, and at 7 minutes, we're going to rotate the egg rolls 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So just want to get them cooked on all sides. We're back in about 7 minutes. All right, we hit 5 minutes, and it told me to flip. So we're going to go ahead and flip everything now, just because it told me to. Not always. The pickles, I don't know if we want to flip those. They're still pretty undone, so I'm just going to flip the egg rolls. They're already cooked, so it's not like we need to worry about it too much, but let's go ahead and let it continue. Nice thing about the Ninja, the timer stops when you open the lid, so we'll just check back in about 4.5 more minutes. All right, as you can see, it's counting down here. We've had it in there about 10 minutes, and I'm going to check it. I have a feeling we're going to need to go a little longer. Yeah, those pickles are going to need a little more time. So, yeah, they're still pretty. Yeah, they need probably another 3 or 4 minutes. Tell you what I'm going to do, though. I'm going to check the temp on these egg rolls. I suspect they're going to need more time, too. I figure we get it up to about 150, at least 120. Yeah, I see we're only at 107. We can go longer. We're going to add 4 more minutes. And just close the Ninja. We'll check back in 4 minutes. So we started the pickles, the beer-battered fried pickles and the chicken egg rolls on the Ninja Woodfire grill at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes was our original setting. As with all cooking, temperature and time may vary, so we added another 4 minutes. We're just about there. We're down to our last minute. I think we'll be done at that point, so we'll get them off in a minute and we'll give them a taste. All right, as you can see, we're just counting down our last 5 seconds here. Go ahead and take a look here. Yeah. Yeah, those are a little bit more crisp. Those will work. So let's go ahead and the egg rolls look a little bit soggy on one side. I think maybe we're gonna hit them just a few more minutes. At least these in the back here. Yeah, these just look a little bit soggy there. We're gonna just hit it for a couple minutes just to get them crisped up a little bit. Gonna have to turn this back on to air crisp. And let's go 3 minutes. There we go. Doesn't need to preheat because it's already hot. Just want to get those egg rolls crispy all around. Okay, so it's not Easter, it's summertime, but we had some extra plates and I don't like to waste things, so we're using Easter bunny plates. All right, we added another 3 minutes. It says it's done. Okay, yeah, now they're looking more crispy. We'll get those off and we'll have a taste. All right, so there you have it. We've got our chicken egg rolls and our beer-battered fried pickles that we heated up in the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill. Sometimes you're in a hurry and you don't want to make it. You just grab the frozen stuff and throw it in the air fryer. So that's what we did tonight. We've got our egg rolls and our pickles. We've got some sweet and sour sauce and some ranch. And let's go ahead and have a taste here. Get the pickles first. A little ranch. Nice and crispy. Just what you want, just like they're deep fried. Let's cut off a little bit of egg roll here. I like to dip my egg rolls in sweet and sour. Do a little sweet and sour here. Hot. Also very crispy. So that was awesome. So there you have it. Egg rolls and fried pickles in the Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill on the air crisp setting. Thanks for tuning in to Smoking and Drinking. And as always, Prost!